At MAN Diesel and Turbo, we build large 4-stroke engines and generator sets. Ours is a large-scale and complex production process, and testing our large engines in Frederikshavn releases up to 15 megawatts of energy. Although testing these engines requires a lot of energy, we want to minimize waste. The waste energy from testing can be broken down into 3 main groupings. The first, cooling water from the engines, is itself cooled down by cooling towers, which are large evaporators. The second is exhaust gas, which is dispersed through a smokestack. The third is waste electricity generated by the alternator attached to the engine on the test bed and transmitted through adjustable resistors in order to control engine load and stress test the engine. This is similar to turning on or off or adjusting power on machines that consume electricity. We want to make sure we recycle as much of this waste energy as possible, and in our test centre in Frederikshavn, we've made it possible to share our excess energy with the local community. There's common interest in a solution that minimizes energy waste. After much hard work and extensive talks, and with the right level of investment and a strong will to succeed, a new energy system is now in place. We now connect directly to the city's district heating system and store energy in an accumulator tank that can be accessed by that system when necessary. The accumulator tank is basically a large energy container, like the thermos flask you pour your hot coffee into, and is in fact filled with hot water. So how does all the energy get into the thermos? The heat that would normally be generated by the resistors now serves to warm up water, like a sort of electric boiler, before the water's stored in the accumulator tank. Similarly, the exhaust gas from engine testing is used to heat water, which is also subsequently stored in the same accumulator tank. Finally, energy that's absorbed by cooling water is also stored in the accumulator tank. The heated water from the thermos can now be used to warm up local households. By avoiding waste energy, we avoid CO2 emissions, as our excess energy contributes to heating homes that otherwise would have needed energy from other sources. We avoid water consumption, as we have a closed water cooling system instead of an open one. And most importantly, there's less electrical waste as the energy is harnessed for the local community. By doing this, we contribute to avoiding emissions. We're proud to contribute to a more sustainable community in Frederikshavn by diverting energy to where it's needed. Sometimes, a simple solution just works. Our engines already power half the world's fleet of ships. A small change in the way we do things can make a big difference.